Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video, we will look at some of the best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch. Why iPad Pro? iPad Pro is the ultimate iPad experience, with the astonishing performance of the M2 chip, super-fast wireless connectivity, and next-generation Apple Pencil experience. Plus powerful productivity features in iPadOS. iPadOS plus apps. iPadOS makes iPad more productive, intuitive, and versatile. With iPadOS, run multiple apps at once, use Apple Pencil to write in any text field with Scribble, and edit and share photos. Stage Manager makes multitasking easy with resizable, overlapping apps and external display support. iPad Pro comes with essential apps like Safari, Messages, and Keynote, with over 1 million more apps available on the App Store. Fast Wi-Fi connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E gives you fast wireless connections. Work from almost anywhere with quick transfers of photos, documents, and large video files. Performance in storage. The 8-core CPU in the M2 chip delivers powerful performance, while the 10-core GPU provides blazing fast graphics. Add all-day battery life, and you can do everything you can imagine on iPad Pro. Up to 2 terabytes of storage means you can store everything from apps to large files like 4K video. Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard. Apple Pencil, 2nd generation, transforms iPad Pro into an immersive drawing canvas and the world's best note-taking device. Magic Keyboard features a great typing experience and a built-in trackpad, while doubling as a protective cover for iPad. Accessories sold separately. 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Get 1000 nits of full-screen brightness and 1600 nits of peak brightness, a 1:0:0:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio, reference mode for a more color-accurate workflow, and advanced display technologies like ProMotion, True Tone, and P3 wide color. The Liquid Retina XDR display is perfect for viewing and editing HDR photos and video, enjoying your favorite shows, or even playing games. Unlock and pay with Face ID. Unlock your iPad Pro, securely authenticate purchases, sign into apps, and more, all with just a glance. Number 2. Wacom PTH 660p Intuos Pro Paper Edition Digital Graphic. Paper-to-digital ability lets you capture editable versions of your pen-on-paper sketches, completely digital from start to finish, and export as raster or vector files. 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and virtually lag-free tracking. New Pro Pen 2 technologies. System requirements: USB port, Windows 7 or later, 64-bit, Mac OS 10.10 or later, Bluetooth, Classic for wireless connection to PC or Mac, Bluetooth LE for wireless connection to mobile devices, in paper mode, Internet connection to download driver and software. The Paper Edition consists of the new Intuos Pro Tablet and Pro Pen 2, combined with a detachable paper clip and a fine-tip, gel, pen for sketching on paper. Connect tablet to your Mac or PC without paper, using the Pro Pen 2, and it works as a regular Wacom Intuos Pro. Super slim tablet design with a more compact footprint, 13.2 inches by 8.5 inches, and larger active area than previous models, 8.7 inches by 5.8 inches. Creative software. Register your Intuos Pro and receive 3-month trial to Boris FX Suite, Optics, Sapphire, Continuum, Mocha Pro, and Silhouette, and 2 months of Adobe Premiere Pro/Adobe After Effects, offer available for customers located in the Americas. Number 3. Huion KAMVAS Pro 12. Tilt function battery-free stylus comes with 8,192 levels of pen pressure with plus or minus 60 pen tilt support, allowing you to have advanced pen performance. Battery-free pen PW507, no longer need to worry about charging. 11.6 inches IPS screen, 120% sRGB color gamut. Volume presents 16.7 million colors vividly, which can greatly reduce the color difference. The dimension of the KAMVAS Pro 12 is 350 x 198.6 by 11 mm, which is close to an A4 sheet, ultra thin and portable. Take it to anywhere you want. For press keys and one touch bar, setting the express keys in the light of your preference, You can easily access your favorite settings and enhance your productivity. The 266 pps report rate provides a quick and agile feedback of the pen strokes, which is conducive to the smoothness of the lines. Full laminated anti-glare glass. With anti-glare technology, it effectively reduces the glare damage to human eyes and shortens the distance between the pen nib and the cursor, making you feel like drawing on paper and offer better drawing experience. Online teaching and working. KAMVAS Pro 12 drawing pen display is compatible with Mac OS 10.12 and above, Windows 7 and above, and Linux, Ubuntu. Meet all your needs for every subject with online tutoring software, PowerPoint, Word, OneNote, PDF. Let's work more efficiently. Use Huion for online conference purpose.